See, this is where you come into Ikea, and then you come up the escalator, and then you get your trolleys and stuff, and then you go off into the showroom area. And then when you're done with the showroom area, you will go downstairs again to the warehouse area. So I'll show you that.
And then we got those like hangy things that you hang in the from the ceiling.
Oh yeah.
And then hang it in the bathroom, or
Yeah, it
like,
could be nice.
That would look really nice. Hey.
Yeah.
I think these ones are too small. We need a bigger one.
You want to make holes in the ceiling though?
Yeah. You just put one of those macrame, what you call those?
Macrame.
Video. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like that. But one that's yes, but one that's just fabric, because that's going to be heavy. That's ceramic.
So you see, you have these little displays everywhere, and when you come closer, then it just looks like you're in someone's house. And then you can look at all the stuff, and if you think something looks interesting, you go closer to it, and then you'll see each thing has a code. Oh, there's the code, you see. And then you can write that code down, or you can take a photo. And when you're done, go into the workshop area, and then you tell them the codes of the stuff you want, and then they'll pack it for you. See, here's a nice bedroom. I don't really know if it's nice, but it is a bedroom. And here's a whole bathroom. So yeah, you can just choose whatever you want, and then you go to the warehouse, and then they will give it to you. It's always amazing to me, all the different interior design styles that you see. Such a big variety of styles. Another one.
Oh, you see like this.
This one's got tartan on the walls. And so everything is for sale. Everything you see, you can buy. Even the TV. But I wanted to show you this one. Amazing, huh? Look, there's a whole dinner party going on here. Yeah. Beautiful flowers. It's very nice.
Like this is what I want for the lounge, my love.
I'll do that now. Oh, and then I wanted to show you this. This is not really a window. It almost looks like a view out of a window, but it's an LED light. So they put these in to make it feel like you're in a house with windows, but they're not actually windows. Another nice interior, I think. Yeah. And here's a very graphically busy one with some interesting art choices, which you can also buy, by the way. You can buy the art. Oh, this looks cool. Oh, I like this. And then this is the beach house. The beach house look, I guess. It's quite nice. And this is the bachelor's pad look with Star Wars light fixture and all the dark finishes and the computer gaming station and all these weird props. Very strange. Yeah.
That's nice.
This is the cafeteria where they sell the famous meatballs. And this is the dining area. Where my phone doesn't want to zoom. Dining area. And then we have the kitchenware stuff that you can buy. And look, now we're in the warehouse section. So once you've walked through the showroom, you come here downstairs, and then you take the stuff that you want to buy from these shelves. And see, they've got all kinds of interesting displays even here in the warehouse.